One of the best things about the Mealio is it works both cold and hot. So in the summer you can use it to make all your smoothies, but in the winter time or even the summer you can also use it to make soups. Now here's when you want to use the thick soup and how to use it. The thick soup function blends at a much lower speed to the soup function. So I would recommend using it if you would like a heartier, thicker soup. Now I like using the thick soup function for things like pumpkin soup or a thick tomato based soup because it keeps the texture and it keeps the thickness of the ingredients. And it's really easy. Watch this. You just put all of your ingredients into the Mealio jug and place the jug straight onto the base. Now remember, you always need to add liquid to the Mealio when using the thick soup function. And we recommend at least 1 cup of your favourite stock, but you can use more depending on the consistency that you're after. Once again, the Mealio will not operate unless the lid is on. It's a safety feature and you must put the lid on and turn it clockwise until it locks in place. That little lip should go over the handle. Now once you've done that, watch this. Press the on-off button. Then all you need to do is twist the dial anti-clockwise until you get down to the third from the bottom, which says thick soup. Once you're at the thick soup function, all you need to do then is press the on-off button and the Mealio will begin creating the soup. Now if at the end your soup is too chunky, you could always use the pulse function to blend the soup to the consistency that you're after.